Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and I've been asked a few times how I got my YouTube channel and my Facebook group to have my name instead of all those letters and numbers at the end of the link. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and it's very, very easy. So just open your web browser and then go to your Manage Group page, all right? And then just click on Settings and then go to Customize Group, click on Web Address, and then just type in the name that you want after facebook.com/groups/ whatever name you want. Okay? You can only do this up until you have 5,000 members, and then you won't be able to customize the address again. So make sure you get the one in there that you want. Okay, so that was easy. So now we just go to YouTube and you open your dashboard and then you click on customization. Then you go to basic info and then you go down here to your channel URL and you'll see the one with all the letters and the numbers. And if people see that link and they click on it, they'll still come to your channel. So don't freak out. And then custom URL, it'll have this part already in there, okay, all the way up to the part that you want to customize at the end. So all you have to do is type in, I typed in Sweet Pea Papers because that's my quote unquote name. And now if you want to go to my YouTube channel, all you have to do is go to youtube.com/C/Sweet Pea Papers. Okay, so that's all there is to that. It's very, very easy, and you can get it done in about 5 minutes at the most. And I guess this is me saying goodbye, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye bye.